Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing a notification. $1,200 deposited into your account. $4,700 from passive income this month. No clocking in, no boss, no stress. Just money working for you while you sleep. Sounds unreal? Well, here's the truth. The rich don't work harder. They work smarter. And in 2025, there will be more opportunities than ever to build passive income streams that can make you financially free. But here's the catch. Most people will ignore them. Don't be that person. Because today, I'm breaking down 5 passive income ideas that can make you rich in 2025, ideas that the wealthy are already using. And the best part? Most of these require little to no upfront money. But stay until the end, because idea hash 5 is a game changer, one that almost no one is talking about. Let's dive in. Act 2, the 5 passive income ideas. Idea hash 1, digital products make money while you sleep. Narrator. What if I told you that you could create something once and get paid for it forever? That's the power of digital products. Ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos. Once they're made, they sell on autopilot. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Udemy make this easier than ever. Example, a college student named Alex made $200,000 last year selling Notion templates, just simple productivity tools. Now here's the real question. Would you rather work 40 hours a week or spend a weekend creating something that pays you for life? But if you think that's powerful, wait until you hear the next one. Idea hash 2, AI automation businesses. Narrator. AI is not the future, it's the present. And those who use it wisely will get filthy rich. Right now, people are automating entire businesses using AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Synthesia. AI voiceovers for YouTube channels. AI-generated designs for print-on-demand stores. AI-powered blogs that make money from ads. And the crazy part? Most of these businesses run with minimal effort. Here's the real kicker. AI tools are still underpriced. Once businesses catch on, this gold rush will be over. So, will you be ahead of the curve, or will you be left behind? Or will you be telling your grandkids, yeah, I almost started an AI business in 2025, but Netflix had other plans for me. Let's move to the next one, because this is where things get really interesting. Idea hash 3, rental arbitrage, making money without owning property. Narrator. What if I told you you don't need to own real estate to make money from it? Welcome to rental arbitrage. Here's how it works. Rent a property on a long-term lease. 2, furnish it. 3, list it on Airbnb or Vrbo for short-term rentals. People are making 6 figures a year doing this, without owning a single house. Real-life example? A 25-year-old named Sarah turned a $3,000 investment into a $10,000 month income just by subleasing apartments. But here's the catch. This strategy will get saturated fast. If you don't jump on it now, you might miss out forever. But if you thought that was powerful, wait until you see this next one. It's so scalable, it's almost unfair. Idea hash 4, content monetization, getting paid for your opinions. Narrator. Imagine getting paid thousands of dollars every month just for sharing your thoughts. Welcome to content monetization. YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, blogs. These platforms are printing millionaires. YouTube ad revenue, sponsorship deals, affiliate marketing. And the best part? You don't even need to show your face. Faceless channels, AI voice TikToks, or even meme pages. All of them make money. And here's the brutal truth. If you're already scrolling TikTok for hours a day, why not turn that habit into a money-making machine? Or are you planning on becoming the world's most knowledgeable TikTok scroller? Now, we've covered 4 powerful passive income ideas. But now it's time for the big one, the one that could set you up for life. Idea hash 5, high-yield digital assets. The future of passive income. Narrator. Most people invest in stocks, crypto, or real estate. But the wealthy, they invest in digital assets. These are websites that generate ad revenue, automated e-commerce stores, niche blogs that make thousands a month. Here's the secret. You don't even have to build these yourself. You can buy them, just like real estate. Platforms like Flippa and Empire Flippers let you purchase already profitable digital assets and scale them. This is how people are replacing their 9 and 5 incomes in months instead of years. So, will you invest in the future? Or will you watch others do it while you scroll past? Act 3, the conclusion call to action, nor narrator. We just covered 5 of the most powerful passive income ideas that can make you rich in 2025. But here's the truth. None of this matters if you don't take action. Which idea excites you the most? Drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. And if you want to go deeper into wealth building, check out this video next. The opportunity is now. The question is, are you ready to take it? I am Finance Fix, and I'll see you next time.